What is the output?
6 gears.
The top is input because it has the lowest.
The top is input, bottom is output.
Yeah, that's true. Top is output.
It's got smaller gears.
It's right there's a clutch input.
Clutch basket.
No, that's not the clutch basket.
Input, top, final answer.
Is that? Yeah.
That's first gear.
Where is the input? Where is the output?
Input,
So here is the input, and here is the output. Here the clutch goes right here,
yeah.
and here goes the front sprocket, right? So you have here the. Can you see what's called dog teeth? Here's the dog teeth right there.
The dog
This is the
teeth.
one that's gonna go to the right and to the left and engage the gear with the shaft. Again, it's hard to imagine how it works, but when it goes to the lab, it's gonna be very easy. For now, just
Tell the difference though.
yeah. So my question is, where is the first gear?
Right there on the right.
On the right of the
So
input.
input shaft
in
right
the
here.
right of the input.
The smallest gear, that is the first gear. So that means what? The RPM has to be high, right?
Yeah.
And this one is gonna, so the power from the engine is gonna go to the basket, right? And then gonna go to the smallest gear, to this one. So this one is gonna spin slow, right? When you move from stop, complete stop. Where is the high gear on the input?
The second is right. Second left.
This one here. So that is the sixth gear. Okay, Sam? So you can see they are scattered. They're not just in sequence like this. Huh? Why they're not in sequence? Depends on the design.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't like.
Just my point, guys. Pay attention to this one here. This is dog teeth that can go to the right and to the left, to the right and to the left to have different gear ratios.
That's the output.
Yeah. So here the dog teeth here on the output. How about here the previous design was also an output part as well. But on your bike, you may find those sliding gears are the input as well. So it depends on the design. I'm sure the engineers gonna say, oh, this is better than the other bike. Everybody, do you think he has the best design? Can you see the drum?